Hello, my name is Angel May Mata, and I am going to discuss my session plan. Sector, Tourism, Qualification Title, Bartending and C2. Ayan pong sector and qualification title. Nakuha ko po ito sa pinakang front page po ng TR. Next po is Unit of Competency, Work in a Team Environment. Ito naman po yung topic na na-assign sa akin na under ng basic competencies. Next is module title, Working in a Team Environment. Dito naman po is kinopya ko lang po yung unit of competency pero pinalitan ko po yung first word into present participle. Let's proceed to the learning outcomes. I have 3 learning outcomes po. And the first one is describe team role and scope. Second is identify the role and the responsibility within team. Third is work as a team member. Yung learning outcomes po is nakuha ko po ito sa elements. And then yung bilang po ng learning outcomes ko is nakabase kung ilan po yung elements na meron tayo dun sa unit of competency po natin. Ayan, next is letter A, introduction. Yung introduction naman po is nakuha ko po sa unit of descriptor. Kinopya ko lang po lahat yan. Ayan, letter B, learning activities, LO1, or describe team role and scope. Kinopya ko lang po yung first learning outcome ko. Diyan. Tapos, next na po is learning content. 1.1, the role and objective of the team. Ito naman pong learning content is galing po siya dun sa performance criteria and kinuha ko lang po yung keywords. Ayan, yung next is methods. Ang methods ko po is discussion. Sa methods naman po nang-isip po ako ng methods na applicable sa students. The next is presentation, reading sheet 2.1-1, source of information. Kinonek ko lang po yung presentation sa methods na tinignan ko po sa source of information, which is yung 2.1-1 po. Then yung 2 po doon is ito pong 2.1-1, ito po yung code ko. Yung 2 po dyan is ito po yung bilang ng unit of competency ko na under ng basic competence. Pangalawa po siya doon kaya siya naging 2. Then yung point 1 po, ito naman po yung learning outcome, which is yun nga po yung dinidiscuss ko ngayon, nasa LO1 tayo. Next is yung -1, ito naman po yung learning content, which is pang-una po siya doon. Itong 1.1 po, kaya siya naging 2.1-1. Ayan, next is practice answering self-check 2.1-1. Ayan, next is feedback, checking the answer to answer key 2.1-1. Yung feedback po, ito po yung gagawin ko po sa task sheet or practice na pinapagawa ko po sa kanila. Then, next is resources. Ito po yung pinagkuhaan ko ng source, which is yung TR, laptop, and PowerPoint. Ayan, sa time naman po, yung sa time, di ba po, yung nominal training duration ng basic competency is 18 hours. So, need mo po siya i-divide sa bilang ng unit of competency na under nito, which is 4 po yung nasa basic competence. So, 18 divided by 4 is equal to 4.5 po. Then, yung 4 hours and 5 minutes po na yon is hinati-hati ko po siya sa lahat ng learning content. Dapat po yung time na ilalagay mo sa bawat learning content is magto-total sa 4 hours and 5 minutes since may limited time lang po the whole session plan. Ayan, LO2, identify the role and responsibility within team. Learning content 2.1, individual role and responsibility. Methods, role playing naman po yung nilagay ko dyan. Ayan, presentation, viewing sheet 2.2-1, source of information. Yung 2.2-1 po is yung code. Then yung 2 po dyan is ito nga po ulit yung bilang ng unit of competency ko dun sa basic competence. Then yung point 2, it is the learning outcomes. Number 2, kaya naging point 2 po. Then yung dash 1, nasa learning content 2.1 po tayo. Practice, answering self-assessment 2.2-1, feedback, checking the answer to answer key 2.2-1, resources, TR and laptop. Then yung time, ganun lang din po. Bale, same lang po ang ginawa ko sa learning outcome number 1 to learning outcome number 3. Ayan, sa letter C, assessment plan, case study, group discussion and analysis of real-life scenarios. Second is performance test, observation of the individual members, participation in a team simulation. Yung assessment naman po is nag-base lang po ako dun sa evidence guide na under ng method of assessment. Ayan, next is letter D, teacher's self-reflection. Next is letter D, teacher's self-reflection of the session. Dito naman po sa letter D is ito po yung magiging observation ko po as a facilitator or teacher. If tama or sapat po ba yung mga nakalagay na learning content and resources. Yun lang po. Thank you so much po.